Hi and hello, Leo! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in the channel, babe. So, bago tayo mag-start, naman tayong new channel, ang Dalnim. So, ang link niya ay nasa description box, sweetheart. So, yan, no, ay for collective signs for all signs right here. So, para yan sa kahit na sino, pero yun nga, no, pwede rin kayong tumambay doon, no, at pwede rin kayong makaresonate there. But remember, no, piliin nyo lang yung mga mensahe na tingin nyo ay para sa inyo kasi that will not resonate to each and every one of you. Leo, so sa mga nandoon na, maraming salamat sa pagsuporta at pagtambay nyo there. At sa mga new subscribers na mag-new subscribe pa lang doon, no? Ako po si Yan. Welcome po kayo here and there. And kahit magpabalik-balik kayo, paroot pa rito, no? Welcome kayo. So, Leo, let's see your energy. So, wala tayong gender dito ha. Babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers. You can click rose if you want. And, may free will kayo. Pwede rin nyo yung gamitin. Malaya nyo yung gamitin. Okay? Just take how this resonates. At kung makaresonate kayo, okay? Just apply this into your own unique situation. Tell me something about my Leo. Maraming salamat, Archangel Michael, angels and spirit guides, ancestors. This is for Leo. Tell me something about my Leo people, please. What does Leo needs to know right now? Possible events that they may look forward. Para kay Leo. Mga mensahe po para kay Leo. Universe, thank you so much. Happy Sunday, Leo! So, let's see what they have here for you, mga babes. Leo. Okay, we're good. So, let's see. What do we have here for you? Let's lay all the energies first on the table. But your first energy is this. Six of Wands. Wow. Queen of Cups. Seven of Swords. We have here the Five of Wands energy. The King of Swords. To the Queen of Cups. And there's this. Two of Cups. Okay. Okay. What of the deck we have here? This. I see. That's why. Okay. That's why. So, I do pick up right here that with the presence of Six of Wands energy and there's this Five of Wands energy, I'm picking up a message here that this is a long time victory, but victory is coming for you. So, nakikita ko na matagal mo itong nilaban right here. Pwedeng meron ka pang mga naging kakompetensya rito, pero ikaw yung nakikita ko rito magwawagi. Sa'yo ang corona na yan, sa'yo ang tagumpay. So, ano man to, no, pwedeng yan ay pwedeng yung iba, yan ay klase ng energy na pwedeng may example, no, meron ka ng matagal na contest na palagi kang sumasali doon, no, pero hindi mo nakukuha yung first place or yung champion, no, na na sash or yung honor, no, na tinatawag. Pero now, you will receive that place, no, na gusto mo ritong makamit or makuha, no, and you will be successful. Yan, no? Yung iba, no, example lang yung contest, no, pero yung iba pwedeng yun yung situation. Pero ang sinasabi ko rito, meron kayo ritong bagay na matagal nyo nang gusto na mangyari, no, at binibigyan mo yun ng effort. Pwede may kinalaman sa trabaho, pwedeng designation na higher position sa trabaho, no, superior or managerial position, no, higher level ng position sa company, or meron ka ritong posibleng mga competitors or may mga gusto rin ng ganyang klase ng oportunidad, pero definitely it will be given to you. Success is yours. Nakita ko dito, no, that you will be celebrating here with your family and friends, drinking with them, no, yung mag-cheers kayo, magtotoast kayo rito, no, because you're gonna celebrate this achievement here, no, na parang makakatanggap ka pa ng pang-aasar from your friends or from your family members, like, ay, buti naman, napunta na yan sa'yo. Pwede na kaming mapanatag. Ang tagal na rin namin yung pinagdadasal for you. Yan, no? So, this is you, no? You have here very supportive, no? And very funny and lively soul tribes right here. Yung friends mo, family mo, no? Na meron siguro ka dyang parang funny, joker, no? Or this energies right here, no? Is napapasaya ka nila, no? Like literally na pwedeng light yung kanilang mga energy. And also what I pick up right here, no, with this Queen of Cups energy and there's this King of Swords, no, and there's Seven of Swords energy. Definitely, heartbreak is what I'm seeing right here. For others, nangyari na to. Okay? I'm seeing na meron kayong minahal na rito, no, pero naging cold siya sa inyo. Yung dating warm na treatment niya sa inyo ay naging cold right here because for some reason, nagsinungaling siya sa inyo, pwedeng dinaya niya kayo, nag-cheat siya sa inyo, no, at pwedeng nagnakaw rin siya ng something from you. It could be also a material gain or material thing, pero literal na pwedeng ninakaw niya rin dito, no, yung chance mo rito, no, na natingnan yung love in a very wonderful way dahil pwedeng sinira niya ito. This person pushed you away, cut you off in his or her life even though you showed him so much love and passion and concern. You showed your time, your effort with this person, and you genuinely love this person here, Leo. Pero ang sinukli niya pa sa inyo rito, no, ay eto, dinaya niya kayo, nag-cheat siya sa inyo rito, no? At siya rin dito mga babes ang nagputol ng connection ninyo at naging dahilan ng inyong separation. Yung iba, tapos na yan. Yung iba, nakikita ko na mangyayari pa lang yan. Pero tatagan mo yung loob, no? Kasi yung heartbreak na yan with the Three of Swords energy right here, Leo, no? Is kailangang mangyari upang dumating itong tao na to sa buhay mo. We have here the Lovers, and there's this Three of Wands energy. See? Someone here na makikilala mo, no? At hindi na to magtatagal because this three is literally, talaga may pagpitiknis yan. Yeah, because this three is literally pwedeng 3 weeks, no? Or 3 months, pero ang lapit-lapit na nito. Yun yung nakikita ko rito, no? Lalo na para dun sa matagal na nakipaghiwalay rito sa mokong na kaninang pinagbabanggit ko rito, no? So, nakikita ko rito na meron dito, no, na new person kayong mamimit and this person will be someone here na sent from up above. Yes, you just heard it right, Leo. This is someone here sent from above. Your angels and spirit guides right here. But for now, meron lang siya ritong mga inaasikasong mga bagay na walang kinalaman sa iyo. So, kung sino man siya, okay, meron tayong mga energies ng mangilan-ngilan na pwedeng kilala nyo na to. Pero marami-rami, like marami-rami sa inyo ang hindi nyo pa nakikilala ito. Pero hindi na magtatagal ang ganitong klase ng separation sa inyong dalawa dahil nalalapit na kayong magkita at magtagpo. Yung iba, no, maaaring magtagpo kayo kung saan pwedeng may mga halaman, may bundok, may mga puno, no? So, pwedeng probinsya yung vibe or nature vibe or maaaring merong ganyan, no? Pag nagkita kayo, pwedeng sa park, di ba? May mga makikita ka rito mga bagay, no, like very significant like mountains, trees, pwede rin naman na big body of water, pwede rin batis, ilog, dagat, kind of thing, okay, or burol, whatever. Part of nature is what I'm picking up. One of the powerful signs, okay, that this person is what who I'm talking about. And yeah, okay, I do see that with that person, with the lovers, and there's this three of cups. I mean, two of cups energy, but I keep on mentioning three of cups. No, definitely a union, three of cups energy. No, someone here who will feel so familiar, so comfortable, no, sa mga una ninyong pagkakakilala. Okay? Kasi kayo, nakikita ko, Leo, mga malalakas sa pakiramdam ninyo eh. So, alam ninyo kung player yung nakikipag-connect sa inyo o hindi. Pero dito iba yung mararamdaman mo. Like, you feel something different about this person. Like, sa mga days or few days nakakakilala mo pa lang sa kanya. Okay? You feel like you're wanting here to build something solid with that person here. And definitely, that is someone here, no? na talagang meant to enter your life, no? Kailangan talaga matapos rito, no, yung connection mo with someone here who did not value you, no? Para ka ditong laging nasa, alam mo yun, nasa ice skating, no? Yung parang pakiramdam mo hindi ka marunong ng ice skating, pero this person here, bukod sa malamig at nagyayelo na yung paligid mo, hindi ka pa inaalalayan. So, sino man to, no, na nag-cut sa inyo sa buhay niya rito, no, nakikita ko siya, no, na umaalis rito, pero kailangan niya naman talagang gawin ito, no, dahil hindi siya nakakatulong sa inyo at nakikita ko na hindi rin siya rito honest na tao. Okay? And you're someone meant to meet, no, itong bagong tao na sinasabi ko sa inyo. Yan, bagong koneksyon na naghihintay sa'yo. At may ako nakikita rito. Hindi ko alam kung meron ba dito mga estudyante, no? Parang maghihigpit yung parents mo. Strict ang parents mo rito kasi may nakikita ko rito na pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, may mga itsura kayo, okay? Like literally mga magaganda at gwapo kayo, no? Pero literally, meron tayong nakuha rito na physically attractive, no? So, nakikita ko dito na pwede maging strict pa more ang parents mo kasi pwede may mga manliligaw ka rito na mga nagkaka-crush sa'yo. Especially kung student ka. Yan, baka may mga students dito, no? Or yung iba, baka parents na dito, no? Nakikita ko na ikaw to na alam mong maganda yung anak mo. Ayan. Or gwapo yung anak mo, and this is you na parang, lalo na pag babae yung anak mo. Okay? This is you mas nagiging strict ka. No? So, yun nakikita ko rito. So, pwedeng ikaw to, no, na nakikita mo na may mga nagkaka-crush na, baka nagpunta ka sa school ng anak mo, no? Doesn't have to be na for may anak lang to, ha? Just like how this resonates, no? Nagpunta ka sa school ng anak mo, din may tinutulak-tulak, ay, crush mo, ayun, no? And then, no, ikaw to na parang na-witness mo na parang meron, hi, ako nga pala yung classmate mo dun sa subject na science. Yan. Mga ganun, no? Whatever the case may be, I'm seeing that, no? At yung iba naman, no, doesn't have to be na for Haksing. Yes, for Haksing, student yun, no? Haksing is student, no, in Korean. So, whatever the case may be, I'm also picking up with that strict parents. I think your parents will communicate with you something serious. And I think parang yung reaction mo is parang, ay, ba naman to si mama, yun na naman. Ano ba naman to si daddy, yun na naman. Parang ganun ka, na parang sa someone here na parang meron sinasabi sa yung parents mo ng paulit-ulit, no? Pero I think that's for your own sake. Okay? So I think definitely kahit na matured ka na ngayon or matanda ka na ngayon, may nakuha tayong ganun, parang, ba to? Mag-uusap ka pa, alam ko na yung pag-uusapan namin nito ni mama eh, alam ko na to eh. Pero, tas pagdating mo, sabi na nga ba, yun na naman yung sasabihin niya. Example ng ganito, no? Parang kunwari lang, example lang to mga babes, no? Alam mo anak, dapat makahanap ka na ng talagang taong para sa'yo. Gusto mo bang iset up kita dito? May anak yung ano eh, kumare ko eh. Yung parang ganun, no? Example lang yan mga babes, no? So, ganyan. So, iba-iba yung situation. Pero meron ditong parang paulit-ulit na sinasabi yung parents mo sa'yo or someone here na parang matured sa'yo or legal guardian mo. Okay, whoever that is, could be your grandparents as well, no? Paulit-ulit sila pero parang yung energy is that is for your own sake, for your benefit. Yan. Okay? For your own benefit. So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for you, Leo. Thank you so much for making tambay here in this channel. And sarang hail, love, and light. Annyeong!